Add or subtract the following expressions. Assume all variables are non-negative. In exercise A, we have 8 times the square root of 3a plus 4 times the fifth root of 3a minus 2 times the square root of 3a plus 17 times the fifth root of 3a. So now we have, when we're adding or subtracting with radicals, we must have like radicals. All right, so the like radicals have same index and same radicand. All right, what's on the radicand? What's on the inside of the radical? And the index. What root are we taking? So here I have a square root of 3a. Square root of 3a. That matches up with this term, right, the third term. I have a fifth root of 3a and another fifth root of 3a. Those match up. So I have the terms that involve the red are like radical terms, and the terms that involve the purple are also like radical terms. But they are not all like radicals because they involve different indices. Right? We have square roots and fifth roots. Alright, so I can combine some of the terms. I have 8 times the square root of 3a. Let me group them together. 8 square root of 3a minus 2 square root of 3a. I can combine those to a single term. And I have 4 times the fifth root of 3a and 17 times the fifth root of 3a. Those are like radical terms and may be combined, yielding 6 times the square root of 3a plus 21 times the fifth root of 3a. But I cannot combine them any further because they are no longer like radical. There are no longer any like radical terms. All right, exercise B. I have the fourth root of 32 m to the fifth n to the sixth plus 3 times the fifth root of 2mn squared minus 5mn times the fourth root of 2mn squared. So we might look at this and say, well, are these like terms? Are they like terms? Are they like radicals? Well, we have a fifth root and a fourth root. So those are not like radicals, so we cannot combine those. So we might say, well, can we do anything with this? Well, let's look at this term. Let's look at that 4 times, the fourth root of 32 m to the fifth n to the sixth. Well, that's the fourth root of, let's see, 32. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times m, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 n's. Alright, so let's see. There's a 2 to the fourth, there's an m to the fourth, and there's an n to the fourth. So this becomes what? The fourth root of 2 to the fourth, m to the fourth, n to the fourth, times the fourth root of what's left over, 2mn squared. So that first term can be written as 2mn times the fourth root of 2mn squared. And we still have 3 times the fifth root of 2mn squared minus 5mn times the fourth root of 2mn squared. And so now I do have like radical terms. I have 2mn times the fourth root of 2mn squared minus 5mn times the fourth root of 2mn squared. So they're like radical terms. I can combine them. 2mn minus 5mn would give me negative 3mn fourth root 2mn squared, and the remaining term plus 3 times the fifth root of 2mn squared. And again, these are not like radical terms because now they have just different indices, so I can't combine any further.